In this video, we are going to review the Build Your Store using the Buildyourstore.ai. For that, the process is very simple and easy. What you guys have to do is to go through this video in order to get all the details about it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And I'll be providing the Build Your Store AI link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So it says that build my store for free, and here you guys can see that there are some of the portfolios that are mentioned here, how they can reimagine all your store and the store template, and you guys can get the domain for free over here. Uh, they claim it, but I'm gonna show you, and we're gonna read a bunch of real reviews over the internet to see if it's actually credible or legitimate or not. So for that, all you have to do is to follow the video till the end. So let's go and dive into how people are reviewing it. So as you guys can see that 116 people has reviewed this board and with a total overall rating of 4.8 star. And as you guys can see that it is a verified channel. So I'm not just showing you something which is non-credible or something that is uh illegitimate. So as you guys can see that 97% of the vote says that it is a 5 star. People are saying that easy store setup, quick and responsive support, helpful inventory management, product research made easy, great automation feature, super convenient, fantastic for seamless integrations, a lifesaver for growing businesses, very reliable banking, highly recommended for anyone new to dropshipping, and so much potential for customization. The other person is saying that quickest setup ever. So this is pretty much it. People are really rating it highly, and as you guys can see that this is not a fake sort of reviews. These are not paid reviews, but are legitimate reviews. And you guys can see that they are being uploaded 14 hours ago, 2 days ago, 16 hours ago, 18 hours ago. So it's been uploaded recently. So you guys can check it out if it's actually legitimate or not. So this website claims to have proper legitimate reviews. They don't allow fake reviews, but there can be some fake reviews as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.